If you're screaming and don't know how you can promote your stuff, digital products, flip products, your websites, YouTube channels, and much more. So in this video, I'm gonna show you the best and the most mind-blowing website enables you to make an amazing landing page that makes your audience say wow when they land on that to promote anything you want. So buckle up and now let's get started. And this website is melanote.com. It's an amazing website that enables you to organize your stuff to promote anything you want amazingly. So here, get organized, stay creative. So now it's the first step here. Sign up for free. Then after registration, here you can land on this blank page. Here in this left panel, you can find an option that says poured. Here you can click over it, drag and drop, and here you can click and create your own new board. Simple word, this new board you can take it as a landing page or a kit of your tools to promote something, whether it is your YouTube channel, your articles, digital products, affiliate products, and much more. So if, for example, if you want to make your board to promote something like in coaching or fitness or something, in my case, I just promote my tool Remocarousel. So I can give it name like Remocarousel, okay, and okay. So now click over this board to insert it as you see, and here you can go into this amazing board to add anything you want that helps to promote your tool or your product. So here you can find in this left panel different options and different tools to add anything you want. So for example, here if you want to add something like note here, you can add anything, just you can drag here in this page to insert something, anything related to your product. Or even better, you can actually find here different options to edit your note, like you can make it bold, you can italic, make points, and so on. So I can go back again, and here you can find something interesting that says link. Here you can add anything, URL of YouTube videos, articles, your tools, and the best part here, this amazing Note takes its description from that page. So for example, you can insert this link field, okay, and I can go to my tool like this one and to create a beautiful and amazing carousel post for a social media as you see. And Melanote takes the first sentences of that page, AI carousel generator, as you observe. Perfect. And for sure you can move around this card as you like. So now we can move on to the something that says to-do list. For sure, if you have some tasks to do or a checklist or something, so I can just leverage this option in my promotion just by making a sequence of steps for any user, like sign up for free first, second you can insert your topic, third you can select your languages, and for sure Remocarousel supports different languages including Spanish, Portuguese, Arabic, Hindi, and much more. And for that you can use it for free. So here for example I can actually add the first step here, sign up for free, okay, and now I can make a second one. Here you can find some different options, duplicate, perfect, make it beneath it exactly, and change this message to be answer to your topic. For example, your topic, okay, and for sure your topic, it doesn't mean that you can insert a short sentences or the general one, but also you can generate a whole paragraph or a detailed prompt from ChatGPT or anything else to make your own carousel post as you like. So that way you can make a sequence of steps required for the user to use Remocarousel. Okay, perfect. So now we can move it this one right a little bit here. Perfect. Amazing. And for sure you can find for every single element you can choose different options to edit it as you like. Anyway, you can go back and you can find something else like line. Here this arrows or the to be connected different options or elements inside your board. For example, here I can just take this arrow and make people just so direct this carousel Remocarousel to these steps as you see. So I can make this one as steps to promote, steps to use Remocarousel. Okay, and here you can find this arrow, can make it short a little bit. Okay, that's it. Perfect. Amazing. In the first screen, you can find for every single arrow you can select different options to add a start point, end point, or make it unlimited. Okay, or make it a label or dashed and so on. Or even you can change and adjust its weight and make it thick, thin, and so on. Anyway, you can go back here, and here you can find this amazing column. Here you can insert different options in a column format. So here I can take this column this way, and I can make it for example features of my tool or your digital product or affiliate product as you want. So here you can click twice, and here you can insert your information, like for example the features of my Remocarousel. It includes, you can insert your upload your custom font if you are a pro user. You can select the different languages. You can you can make the last slide as a call to action, like comment down below, go to the link in the bio, and something else. You can also upload your own logo to brand yourself or your profile picture as you like. And even better, you can insert your URL or your business name to make it remarkable for all slides of your carousel. So here, for example, I just insert something like upload your custom fonts, okay, and make anything else. You can double click, okay, to make something like upload your specific logo or your brand logo, and so on and so forth. Okay, perfect. And for sure, I just make an arrow here like this one. Perfect. And make it directed to this one that way. So make it not this one as you see. So these steps of using Remocarousel and these features, okay. And now we can move on to the three dots. Here you can, if you click over these three dots, you can find amazing options here. Either you can insert your sketch or color stacks, document, audio, maps, videos, documents, and so on. So for sure, you can actually try something else like sketch. Here you can insert this one here. And here, as it's from name, here you can sketch anything you want to illustrate something related to your product. For sure, here regarding Remocarousel to generate your carousel post. Here, if you want to grow bigger on social media to provide your content without showing your face or your videos. So here, for example, I just draw some people, okay. Perfect, simply, and here you can go for social media to get more traffic, to get more sales, and so on. So at the end result, you can get more money as you observe. Perfect. So for sure, it's a drawing, and here you can find different options to adjust your drawing, change the color, make it this thick, thin, and so on. Then, if you're happy with the sketch, you can save it as you see. Okay, perfect. And here, if you go again to this three dots, you can answer something like the video. It's an amazing option here on Melanote, because if you have a video on YouTube or anything else, you can make an illustration or explanation of your tool or your product you are promoting. So here I can insert this video here, okay, and take my video that talks about this Remocarousel tool in details, URL, and that's it. Perfect. And now we can add a line here as you see. Amazing. So this video talks about Remocarousel. This one, for sure, this card is clickable. So from this tool, you can find an arrows that direct people to steps to use Remocarousel and these amazing features and so on. And here, for example, you can find an option that says add an image. Here you can insert an image from on a splash for free for commercial use, or add your own image of your product you are promoting from your device. So here, if you click over this one, add image, here you can find this option from pixels.com to search anything you want for free, or you can upload your own image from this option. So I just, in my case, I can click over this one, upload your own image, upload an image, this one, okay, as you observe. Perfect. So this one, the last slide of my Remocarousel, like a call to action: use Remocarousel for free with emojis. Here you can find this brand logo, this arrow to make audiences swipe right to left, and so on. This amazing URL or your business name, as you see, with numbering of your slides. So here I can make this amazing one as more prominent here by adding different lines here. Like I can make a more illustration, this one URL, so I can go back again to this note, okay, and insert this one like your brand URL or your business name, for example. Okay, and here I can make something else, like here you can duplicate, okay, and make this one here. So you can change this heading to be brand logo or your profile picture. Perfect. And insert another arrow here. And as you see here, different options here, you can insert your labels to highlight the best features on your tool and your product, your website, and so on, as you see. So that way you can create your own landing page that helps your audience to understand your product you're promoting step by step. You can find in this left panel again, you can find something like upload your file, either to PowerPoint, PDF, document, text, Word, as you want. Find something else like draw. Here you can draw anything in your page, like draw. And you can upload anything else, like you can make this one directed to this one. Here you can highlight something and add circle about this one, okay, as you see. So you can change its color to red. You can make it this one and add anything you want, as you see. Save. Perfect, isn't it? So here you can prepare your landing page to promote anything you want, to give your audience the whole information about your topic. Here it's time now to export this landing page to promote it to your audience. Here you can find three options. If you never took this export option, here you can export this landing page in two different formats, either PDF standard or PNG image. And to your knowledge, if you export it as a PDF, it would be with high definition and all these cards would be clickable as it is. Or a PNG image, okay. Or you can, if you wanna just share this landing page as a URL, for sure it's a favorite one, you can go to this one, share option, and here you can just check this enable read-only link, get this link, copy link, and let's open it in another browser. It would be like this one, as you see. It's read only for these visitors. So if I click over this one, I would watch this YouTube video. Here, this is my tool. If I click over this one, I will be taken to my tool, Remocarousel. Sign up for free regarding these steps, and I can find this amazing features with these amazing labels that highlights its importance and its uniqueness. So that way you can build and create high professional and converting landing page 100%. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.